Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I would like to talk about Salesforce, stock ticker CRM. It's a technology company, and as you know, technology has been beaten down lately. Basically, it's a software application dealing with customer support and marketing. It's cloud-based and it's proprietary, so once you're a customer, you're always a customer. FinBiz has a target price of $248 and a buy rating. $248 is up in this area here, and you can see it been sliding lately, and then had a little turnaround last month as it topped off, and that's what I think's happened. It's going to pull back a little bit and then continue on at the end of the year. The next few months are going to be hard for any technology company, I believe, based on the fact that we have recession. The expected move of Salesforce for the next month is about 7%. I'm looking out about 3 months, and that looks like about 11 or 12% expected move. So we're going to take that figure and put it in our chart here. So I entered 12% into my spreadsheet. A lot of my stuff is done in a spreadsheet, and there's that 12% there. I rounded up. You don't have to be very accurate. You're just going to try to get a ballpark. And based on the current price, a 12% expected move either way. Now, we don't know which way it's going to go. This is just what the options are saying, that we expect it to be at 12% based on the option pricing. It's a model. And if it does, if it moves up, it'll move up to 211. If it moves down, it'll move to 166, $22. If you bought the stock, invested $1,000, and did it, and you had that kind of move, you would have had a 12% return, which is 48%, which is darn good. So you don't need to do options. I'm going to do an option, but you don't need to. Just take small amounts of money and get started. So 211, will it get up to there first? 166, or come down here first? In other words, fill the gap. And I think it's going to fill the gap first and then continue on up. If I'm right, I could expect a return of 12%. And basically what I'm doing is just trying to set myself up in order to make 6% per quarter. 6% per quarter is about 20 to 24% APR per year. That's what Warren Buffett does. That's what I want to do. It's better than losing. I tried day trading. You can make that in a day's time, 6% in a day, and you can lose it that quickly as well. Steady, consistent gains is for me. Now let's take another approach and see what we can do with options. Remember now, I have a downward bias, and I'm going to do a call broken wing butterfly. That means my profit area is in this area here if the stock moves from where it's at, currently 189, and moves a little bit. And as long as this stock goes down during the next 3 months and stays below 189, which is about what it is, I'm going to have a profit. Looking at the chart, here's where the profit zones. This requires the selling 4 different options, all calls, expiring about 3 months out. And if you remember, our expected move for 1 month is about 7%. And 7% puts it in this area here. And if we somehow could get around $600, $600 on a max loss of 1,000 is about 50%. We don't have to do that. We can do it in our heads, but we don't care about being exactly precise. And that puts us in a range where we can make our goal of 6% per quarter. 600. Take an early profit of about 2 months if it moves in that 1 month where it said 6 or 7%. Now I've received about $976. Max loss of 1,000. Max profit 24. We're going to shoot for about 25% of that, which puts it, if you calculate it, what we're shooting for, that's our general rule, by the way, 619. And I showed you over here that 600 would be that 7% move that was calculated based on options, volatility, expiration, that kind of thing. We can do this. And if you did it, that would be 60% profit percentage, which is a little better than 48. But both of those are good things. So I have to ask you, is the price of CRM, Salesforce, going up? It looks like the continuation, or is it coming back down and then continuing up? Technically, my indicators are showing an overbought overbought condition for the MACD. The stochastic RSI is above the 80, and the RSI is above the 70. It looks like it might come back around. It hasn't yet, but they are in their overbought area, and when they do hit those areas, things tend to come back down. Well, that's my trade. I intend to make around $600 on $1,000 max loss, which is better than 50% in a short amount of time. So let's all make some money. Let's get out there, do your own due diligence, set your goals, lay out your plan, find a stock that will allow you to achieve your plan, have a strategy that allows you to win the amount that you need. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to take yourself too seriously. You should subscribe, and like this video, and you should engage. Let's have a good trading day. I think CRM is going down. Let me know in the description what you think. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.